What else will I do for Betty to love me back?
If I may suggest, I want you to break her father's house and build a new one for her.
Why are you talking like this now? With which money now? We are still owing the man we bought these cars from. Dimba, think, use your brain. Use your brain.
Let's just sell one of the cars. They use the money we sold the car to build the house.
God, what have I done to deserve this kind of friend? What have I done? Dimba, why are you talking like this? Why is it that you don't reason from your brain? You reason from your anus. What is your problem? If I build a house for her now, if I now marry her, who will now stay there?
It's only a suggestion I just made.
Stop giving me that 2020 suggestion. We are in 2021. Use your brain. Stop thinking like an animal. It's even better that I go to a psychiatric home and pick one PA there. If you are not capable of doing this job, just tell me. If you don't know what to say, just keep quiet.
I'm sorry.
Every time you'll be thinking like an infant.
I'm sorry. Very sorry.
Use your brain. Think. Follow me. Think. Let's think.
Okay. I'm ready to go now. I need my money.
Which money? Are you done with your work?
I'm done.
How? Are you okay? Are you okay? Mr. Man, shut up. You are not done with your job. You need your money.
Okay, you are talking to me.
Is that how you work?
The man with authority here, I'm with gun. I can shoot your leg.
Can't shoot to kill you there. You can shoot which one? Don't you know who you are talking to?
Say what?
You are talking to a millionaire. Are you mad?
Millionaire Guinea.
Okay. I suggest we give him his money before he misbehave here, please.
From where now? I don't have money again. I've been telling you here now. Give him money from where? I told you I don't have money. We are still owing the man we bought this cars from. You are asking me to see. Find a way to tell him to go. Later he come back.
Okay. Officer, please, you meet us in the house later so that we'll give you the money there.
Do it. Okay, I need my money now. Right now. Or else I shoot this man. I'm not going anywhere. I need my money right here. If not, I will do something stupid here.
You're already a stupid woman. What else do you want?
I will shoot your leg.
My leg.
Okay.
You're a madman.
Give me my money now. I will shoot your leg. Give me my money now. Give me my money now, I will shoot your leg. Give me my money now.
Calm down, officer.
Okay,
mind the way you are holding a millionaire. If you shoot me, my ancestors will pay you.
Okay, I said give me my money. I will shoot you.
Let my ancestors pay
Give me my money now.
Nothing police a bastard, you don't get to respect at all. Oi, now so it dey happen. Oi, I said don't scatter poverty. That idiot too is a bastard, yo. You don't get to respect at all. Oi. Now so they have man.
I'm here to see my customer.
Identify yourself first.
Let me go in, Joe.
Hey, don't get me angry. Who are you?
Mama Betty, tell you to allow me to come in. Let her in.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't fire poverty. Yeah, nothing police a bastard. Yeah. You don't get to respect me at all.
I brought that clothes you wanted to buy from me last year. But say you don't have the complete money. Is that so? Yes. You can even take it and pay later. Wow.
That's so nice of you. Which means you manage your business now. You can do business well.
Oh, yeah.
Even this one. I remember when I priced it and you were shaking your head.
Well, I bet you know now, Ma Betty, you can call me whenever you're ready to pay me the money.
I will call you. Now I'm a naked woman. I have conscience. I will call you. Oh, so that you can have your money. Oh, all of it.
Okay. Don't fire poverty. Yeah, nothing police a bastard. Yeah, you don't get to respect at all. Now so
One time, oh, why
I said thunder scatter.
Nah. Come. Come and help me keep this inside the house.
Okay, mom.
And give me a drinking water. Oh?
Okay.
Keep it well.
Alright.
Oi, now so they have man.
So you think you can hide? You have been with my cars for 2 days now. Where are my khakis?
Me? Hiding from you? Why? Why will I hide from you? I'm only owing you. Federal government is owing. Everybody's owing. Am I the only person that is owing in this country? So why are you talking as if I came to your shop and made away with your cars? Mr. Man, calm down. I'll bring back your cars to you.
Do you know you're a thief?
Eh?
You are a thief.
You are a thiefer.
You are a thief.
You are a thief first.
In fact, no need to speak in English grammar. Come on, give my khaki.
Give me my balance. Didn't I give you money? Didn't I give you
You exceeded
money?
the day.
Didn't I give you money?
You exceeded the day you
Didn't
paid
I
for.
give you money?
I said, give me my khaki.
God self they disappoint us. Talk more of me disappoint you and you are talking rubbish. God self they God never
Give my
disappoint
khakis.
us.
What's wrong with you?
Come on, give me my balance. Look at this vagabond. Give me my balance.
So you want us to do it one on one here? Abi?
Can do it 4 on 4. I don't care. I don't bloody care. Are you the first person I'm owing in this life? Do you know how many people that are owing me? You are selling cars. Me, I'm selling fowls. Do you know how many fowls I have in my poultry? They are here making noise. As if you are the first person I'm owing in this life. You are my balance. Didn't I give you some money? Didn't I give you some money? I gave you some money. You are shouting as if I did not give you any dime.
I have to arrest this man.
I will not only arrest.
Come here.
Come on, I want to arrest you. I will arrest
I said,
you.
where's my khaki?
I will arrest you too. Think I don't know my right because you are selling car. Do you know what I'm selling?
Power! Iron! Where did they go? You cannot send 2 of them the same time now. You cannot send 2 of them the same time. You cannot send 2 of them out at the same time. So my mind was not there. I'm sorry. You know that thing is very heavy. So I asked them to go and help me. So now who is going to secure? I'm here. You are here to secure. You are a suspect. You are here to secure. No, I won't do anything. I won't do anything. I won't do. I'm going to the car shop. Let me go and price that car I told you about. Already? Yes, I've gone there before to price the car. The man say 5.5 million last. I want to go and tell him now. I'm going to pay 5 million. And I'll bring the money to him after I change my money. Yes, so if he does not agree, I'll go somewhere else. It's not by force. Of course. Okay. That's good. So me too, I'll be a car owner. I'll be sitting by the back. Let me rush. Quickly. Find the right stuff. Of them are out the same time. Don't like you do it. Nobody to. No. Let me pass the car. Pass. Hey, find good engine, oh. Solid one. Engine, mama. The car comes with engine.
Bastard, yeah. You don't get to respect at all. Oi, now so it.
No, so I brought you this. See, this week. Very expensive. Fine wig. This one is how much? This one is 5,000. Only. Then this big. Only 5,000.
I must buy this one. In fact, when you go back, go and get this thing. Like 4. Different colors.
Okay, ma.
Pink, green, blue, yellow. So that anything I wear the color of the hair.
Okay, ma. Mama, this is the bid.
Hey!
Yes.
So this one now is how much?
30,000.
Only. You know what? I want this in the same colors of hair, so that anytime I wear the hair and wear the bead, I'm on point.
Now, no,
so go now and source for another 5.
Okay.
And bring.
Okay. Okay.
So everything in this bag now, like this whole bag, is how much?
Just give me 200,000.
Only. So if I give you 200,000, I own everything in this bag.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you want you? Just no problem. Go and bring this bag again, extra 4, so that it will be 1 million.
Okay.
Oh,
okay. I'm coming. Let me go and bring it
quick. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey! Let me hear who will tell me that I don't know fashion. Fashion, when I come out, my fellow women will know that I have arrived. That money stops nonsense and money is speaking. Eh? Can this inside? Go and put inside my room and give me drinking water.
Okay, ma'am.
Put it well.
Yes, ma'am.
Can't wait dilute this good thing that is coming. Careful, careful. That bead is very, very dangerous. It's soft. Before it will crack or break. Hey! Uh-oh. Yes, I'm on point. I'm on fashion now. That is why now you should do your work well. Anyhow, bring down. At sight. You attack at sight.
I'll kill.
That's very good.
Don't fire poverty. Yeah, nothing full is a bastard. Yeah.
Mama, child. Mama, there is money.
And then no eh? Hey!
I said don't scatter poverty. That idiot too is a bastard.
That's very good. It's good that two of you are standing like this on a lot. Eh? So that's only home, we bring down.
Bomb the person.
Yes, bring down. At sight. You shoot or you hit at sight.
Very soon I'm going to kill the person.
You, how many years of experience do you have?
Ma, me is 15 years.
15 years? I think you want you. And you?
2 years.
Only? And you're already killing?
Because of the problem of Nigeria.
Let me lie down and rest.
Okay. Okay. Do you need pillow?
Don't fire poverty. Nothing full is a bastard. You don't get to respect at all.
Mama? 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 Hey! 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 Mama? Mama? Open your eye, open your eye. Where's my money? Eh? What do you mean, which money? Where's the money that was inside? Where's Iron and Power?
What happened?
Hey!
What now?
My 11 million foreign currency, where is it?
Inside the house now.
You kept it inside. Come and show me, come and show me. Mama, get up, come and show me. Open your eye, open your eye. Come and show me. Show me, where?
Call the Baba now. We need to run these things because
the number is ringing, but it's not picking.
How? This man
Okay. Baba, where you there now? Would they wait for you for that completed building now? They come.
Tell them say time no dey. Time no dey. Wetin talk?
Okay, they come. Okay.
They come.
Like this, if my as I did now, I don't dey Lagos already.
We are travel out of this country. To talk of Lagos.
I go change my babe. That my babe man go soften in life.
I beg first and wait first. Hey.
Baba himself.
Now come.
Yes, Baba. We brought you business as usual. A huge one for that matter.
Baba, money there, money free.
Confirm.
Only money 9 days time.
How much there?
Baba, we don't know, but now high currency full inside this bag. You see what you go do now, eh? Just give me my guy 1 million each. Carry this money.
Finish.
No wahala.
Kai. 1 million each?
Hey, you have better money.
May I see the money?
Okay. Baba. Baba, just feel it.
May I ask you now, who send Una come here? Where Una get this money from?
Baba.
Where Una carry this money come for here?
Baba, we.
Now why they talk like
Baba,
this
we.
now?
See now, how currency this? Just give us 2 million naira. Carry this money go. Eh? Na better money be this now. You know see now how currency 5,000. Eh? Something one like this for 5,000. I don't know what thing.
Hi, Adagi, please pinch me. Pinch me, let me know if I'm still awake. Hey, just pinch me so that I will know if I'm awake or I'm sleeping.
I would suggest we go to the police and report this matter.
Hey!
I suggest you gather the youth. Go into that bush. Or rather, go to our neighboring villages and look for it. That is the only thing we can do. Police will not work here.
You are right. That's what we should do. And if I set my eyes on them, I will set them ablaze.
Immediately.
Why will you set them ablaze? Are you not supposed to say you collect the money first from them before you set them ablaze?
How about if you not born with the money?
Hey! Let us come with you, Mama. You follow them. Follow them.
Mama,
Follow them, Daddy. Follow them.
See my tell Una. Una no say Una decrease. This money wey Una carry come here so now, no reach up to 10,000 naira.
Which kind of talk?
Una no even reach to the call thieves.
You can talk with this
Baba,
now.
why they talk like this now?
Only this one, not be 5,000 naira. Another not be 5,000 naira.
Okay, see now say Una carry come. No reach 10,000 naira.
Baba, which kind talk you can't dey talk now? Why they talk like this? We bring soft business for you, make it just help us run am because of we come to you. Baba, help us coordinate this thing, make we dey shift now.
May I tell Una, no Una no call me for this kind of nonsense again. If Una know where Una carry this money come from, may Una return am to the person wey get am.
Why they talk like this? Now they go. What did they tell me? What did be 10,000 naira?
Baba, if you give us
Wait, what did they talk? 5,000. You never go for 10,000 naira. You tell me, see the money, 10,000 naira. Don't fire you there.
wait, the Baba go.
You don't go leave and move fire. Leave am.
Hey!
10,000 naira. Tell me what they big like this. Tell me 10,000. That's cheap.
How won't they come up now?
No, no mind that book man. Carry this thing go for where we'll change them again. Which kind of nonsense 10,000?
It's the money, it's complete. Let us go.
How do I pay for all these clothes now?
Mama, if you don't have anything to say, don't say anything, no. If you know you don't have anything to say, please don't say anything, Mama.
They will come here and carry us.
Please, you come and carry who's us? You don't buy any clothes. It's not that they will carry.
Bring down your voice.
It's not that they will. I know what she say. She's doing this like they come on the. Hey! Hey! Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Now let me enter now. Why you locked me out too?
People should be going. I'll see you tomorrow.
How about me now?
Mama, you need to follow them. You are a suspect too. You are a suspect.
You follow who? This is my house. You can't follow. What's the move? She said you should follow them. This is my house. You are who?
I can follow Mama. Follow it. Follow it.
What?
Let me come inside.
Come inside as what?
I told you already, there's no space here. There's only one room. Mama.
This is my house now.
Mama, please, I'm in my mother's house. You go to your own mother's house. Mama, please.
What is this now?
I'm in my mother's house, Mama. You go to your own mother's house, please.
You're a fool. Is this your house?
My friend's house.
Who is your friend? I don't have any friend. After this incident has happened, I have to hold myself very well, please.
Betty, please, let me come inside.
My mother. Bam, because my mother and my father's house. You go to your own parents' house. Everybody, I saw your parents' name now. Just follow them. I didn't want people to be here when I decided I want to hide the money.
Your job is to secure the house from anybody going or coming. You not hear me now?
Yes, to secure the house from any invaders. You know, they hear me so?
Yes, ma'am.
If you ask me before God am I don't find gun scars. But the good thing I do for them, we say, the cutlass will buy. Be sharp. They don't sharpen now, well. Take your own.
Okay,
with wisdom, no play, rough play, no distraction. To safeguard life and property. Life and property, secondary. Money, primary. You understand me now?
Yes, ma'am. Hey, stop there! Stop there! Hey, stop there!
Sasha! What is going on here? What is going on? Leave me! Why are you searching me? Betty. What is happening?
Are you mad? You are deaf now, are you mad? That's the work I told you to come and do here.
Sorry.
Do not have any sense. What are you doing?
Blocking her.
You are blocking her, you are blocking her. You are going to attack somebody, you are attacking her here.
Sorry.
That's what you to go and do.
Sorry.
Don't be angry, already, my sister. That's their job they're trying to do. They're supposed to catch you before you enter for safety. But that one, that.
Why are they searching me?
My sister, don't be angry, Joe. They're supposed to secure. You know what's happening here now? So they're supposed to search everybody that is coming inside and that is going outside.
Including me.
Even me, they'll search me too. They'll search me. What do you say if somebody touch me and I come and take my own money? They have to search me too. If Mama goes to the market and she's coming back, they must search her. I've already told him to search that her scarf. Because the things that she used to keep in that scarf is a lot. I've told him to search the scarf.
To take this money to the bank.
I'm taking it to the city on Monday to go and change it.
Better. It would be wise to invest it into something lucrative.
So you have sense. Mama, SSC. Honorable Daddy. She's part of us now. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yes, she has sense. I promoted her.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You know why you're laughing like that?
Mama, please, leave her. Let her laugh the way she wants to laugh. I'm gonna go to the market and go and buy food in this house. Rice, pepper, tomato, turkey. That turkey that has this thing. That's the one I like.
Which money again? Oh, sorry. I know the money. I'm going to the market now. In fact, see that turkey? The one that has wing and feather. I'll buy it. I'm going now. I'm going.
I also buy stockfish.
Will you be at home when I come back?
Yes.
No, she will not be at home when you come back with the turkey. Yes, in fact, Daddy, come and go home now. Oh, go and bring your clothes.
I'm going now. I'm going.
This stockfish is very sweet.
Yes.
Go and bring your clothes.
Because she can't bring my... Okay, I will rush fast to go and bring my bag before Mama finish cooking.
Don't rush. Just take your time and pack so that you can pack the right things. Oh.
Thunder fire poverty. Yeah. Nothing police a bastard. Yeah. You don't get
I'm seeing where your eye is going. That's why somebody's coming. You are going to search her like that. I'm seeing where your eye is going. With your nose like Titus fish. You are following her. As if he does not have any other plan that he came there. Even you, I saw you too. That 1 million I promised 2 of you, you better behave. Because if I go to the city on Monday and change that money, who does not behave is out. I mean, you are following me to the city, you will see the way the banks will behave when they see me. You will see their working man's character when he sees me. If you don't behave well, you are out of the bargain. I'm telling you now. Because especially you don't have any hair in your head. Your problem is too much.
If you don't get him, money, nothing for you. You go hide your face, yeah. Cause you no get up more.
Mama baby, I heard the good news here. Eh? I heard what the Lord has done for you and your family. I heard that Betty is not a billionaire. Yes, so. And it shall be permanent. Amen.
Because it's marvelous in our sight.
Amen. Amen.
And he will do more.
Amen.
Oh God, the wrong baby. Ebi.
He said,
Ebi. Whoa.
I'm really so lucky to have you in my shop today. Because what do you want?
Notice a smaller shop. I would have loved to go to the bigger market.
But
because you know how we started, I said let me come to them and patronize you.
Thank you. I am very lucky.
I want Indomie. But I want it in carton.
Okay. I don't have many cartons. So.
I can manage one.
Okay. Okay.
I want tomatoes. In carton, at least 1 carton.
Okay.
I have seen 1 carton now.
Okay. What again?
I want rice, but I don't know if you have a full bag.
No.
Let me take half.
I think I have half.
So when we go to the big market, and you have yam too.
Yeah. Okay.
So
I want half of rice. Half of. Yes, I want oil. Non-cholesterol oil. 4 liters. I know you don't have the big where is this girl? No, today that I have a bigger customer.
Hey!
I am very, very lucky.
Go ahead.
See it now. Non-cholesterol.
Let me sit.
Oh, ndezi boy.
Yes, the noodles, not Indomie, not noodles. 1 carton. Hey, can they buy? Also, I don't have time. Tomatoes, tin tomatoes. Imaya, Ijen no.
And the yam. Yam.
At least I don't want these sizes. But I want
This one is big.
It's a native yam. Put it. I like it.
This one is big.
It's okay, yes. When we go to the bigger market, we'll buy 100. I want salt.
Salt. I have 1.
I want it in carton.
I don't have carton now.
You see why I said I want a bigger market? No problem.
I will bring it to your house.
No problem. My daughter went to go and change the money. When she comes back, I'll bring your money for you.
No problem. No problem. Anytime you want to pay me, pay me. I don't have any problem.
See trust? Money brings trust. Because it stops all nonsense.
Hey! Mama billionaire. Mama billionaire. What is a kiabolum?
He say, as long as you have good children, it shall be your turn. He say, when she changes the money, I will come and give you your own.
And Choro in the barrel.
Chawaham. Barrow! Come on, Barrow and Dala.
Barrow! Get on, Bobby Abiko.
I am 30 billion hard currency. If we go, the man neke mano dikwala nenwai.
Donna! 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 Where is that thing? Where is that one? Where is that one?
Who are you?
I am doggy. Where is that thief? Where is Donna? Where is Donna?
Is there any problem?
Donna took my car and gave me a useless currency. I don't know where he got the currency for. Where is Donna? What I go do for here today?
Are you okay?
Am I okay?
Hey, please, hold it there. Don't call my son a thief. He's not a thief. What is wrong with you?
Okay, no problem. I'll be back. When I come back, I'll use police to pack all of you. Bless all of you are the grace for this village, Abi. And I never know why I be. But I'm not worried.
So about the
I'll be back. On a teaching and play for this village, Abi. On a the grace. May I come back now? Okay, no problem.
We'll be waiting for your police. You for call it. Oh, fake it. You call police. We will be waiting for you. Huh?
What's going on? I heard voices. Were you talking to anyone?
Is he not one useless idiot that came here barking like a dog? He said his name is Doggy or Dog. Eh? I don't even know what he called his name.
Doggy. What did he say? Did he tell you where he's from?
My son, don't mind him. He said you gave him some useless money and he gave you his car. Is that true?
My own money is useless. He must be a very mad dog. You know, one of those dogs that cut chains and run off from the owners.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Don't mind him.
But he has gone.
He has gone. Don't mind him. So when are we going to change the money so that we can buy new things?
Yes, it's just what I'm about to hit my people. You see, they're meant to get me bullion van to bring the money, but there's network. I've been having network issues since yesterday. Yes.
But it will work today.
Network is the connection.
Are they coming today?
If there is network.
Billion hard currency. If we go, the man neke mano dikwala nenwai. Joy, oh yeah, take it or leave it, yeah. Joy, don't have to say, but take it, Kenoa. 85 billion hard currency.
Sister, where are you going to with your bag?
God has remembered me. Oh. I've gotten a job.
That is good news. And you didn't even care to tell me.
So sorry, it skipped my memory.
Oh, it's okay. Sister, this job you are talking about, is it the same hairdressing job?
Yeah. Hairdressing job. There's no money in that one. You see this particular one there? Hey! It's a very big one. God has used Betty, my friend, to remember me.
Betty?
Yes. Betsy offered me a job to become her personal assistant. In bracket, P.A.
Sister, don't tell me you are among those fools that are fooling themselves that also know the difference between jet currency and hard currency.
Don't also tell me you are among those fools who are jealous of Betty, my friend.
Jealous? Why will I be jealous of Betty? I don't understand. Who does that? Wait, sister, let me tell you something you don't know. How sure are you that money that you are talking about is even up to 100 naira? How sure? Tell me.
Ignorance is a bad thing, no? In fact, if you're even trying to lie about that money, hey, you better stop it because there's no gain in it. That money is big. Millions. In fact, it is trillions. In fact, it is more than billions.
Hey! I don't understand. Sister, where are you going?
I'm going to resume my work.
Sister, I don't understand where you are going to. You don't live here. Where are you going to now?
I said I'm going to resume work. Get out of my sight.
Which work? Sister, respect yourself.
Respect yourself. Come on.
Stop
this thing. Ah! I don't understand you.
I don't know where you are going to.
Respect yourself. I say respect yourself.
So where are you going to now? See, I want allow you to go to that house.
I want to resume job.
Which job?
The job that they offered me.
Now, sister, leave this thing you are saying. Did she tell you that she's giving you any job? Eh?
I dey control my muscle. I dey control am. Respect yourself. If you don't get one, go buy am for market. Shift.
Sister, you injure me.
Who is there?
Who be that? If you go here, if I don't cut this leg, make I die. You the grass?
You want to beat Betty?
So you want to do
You want to do what?
She's my sister. I don't want her to come here. We are going to. No. You don't have sense, Abi? Eh?
Honorable General.
Idiot!
Isindara.
Nonsense!
Just go for
Yeah. You want to break this oil. You want to break this oil. Go. Oh. Why are you them? Where are you going with your beautiful goat?
It's your goat. I'm returning it.
Really? I don't want it. At my level now, I can afford a ranch. So if I want to make a pot of soup, I can make it with one whole cow. So you can have the goat. You deserve it more.
But it's your goat. I'm returning it. Huh?
No, thank you. I don't want it. You can keep it. At least you both look alike and you're good together. So you can have the goat.
But it's your goat, eh?
I don't want it. No, take it. Back then, you wanted the goat. And I pleaded for you to leave the goat for me. In fact, the goat is even looking more malnourished. You couldn't even afford taking care of the goat. So at this point, you can have the goat.
You pleaded then. I'm pleading now. Eh?
No, I don't
Take
want.
it back.
No, I don't want.
Eh? Mama Betty, let's go why? Eh? Come and collect your goat. So I brought back the goat. Huh?
That idiot is a bastard. Yeah, he no get respect at all.
Who opened gate for this woman?
It's me, ma. The goat she brought, I tied it at the backyard.
Send her out of this compound.
Leave!
Mama, please come and start going, yeah? So you're not spoil things for me. This is the only place I make my money. Come and start going.
Move!
Mama, please come and start going, please.
Betty!
Obi, Madam said you should send her a room. She's disturbing her sleep.
Mama, this is where they pay me. Come and start going, Mama.
Obi!
Come, let's go. Mama,
Mama,
go. No. This is where I work and make my money. Start going.
Yeah.
No.
I said on the scatter poverty.
Why did you leave it here?
That
Hey, you won't spoil the
a
door.
bastard, yo. Yeah, you no get to
Quickly,
respect
Biko.
your tongue.
So that I can start cooking now.
Now so they have man.
Other person says she wants to eat turkey
Makana
and everything.
Hurry.
Hurry.
Get on boy, boy. Oi, ijo boy. Oi, Makonya walega walano manchano no. You no get mouth to work. Ananala even nikenoi.
Mama, go! Wow! Mama, you said are you okay? You know I'm your mother, Obi. I'm not going anywhere.
Mama, I don't want to see you in my workplace again, Mama.
Go! Obi, look at what you're doing to your mother, me.
Mama, go to the house and eat the food alone.
Hey!
Mama, don't see my
You will come back to meet me, Obi. Obi? Oh, wow! What is wrong with this boy? Your mother. Don't worry, you will eat.
Eat the food and get fat. Oh, leave it for me, Mama. Don't come to my workplace again, no. Don't come again.
Yay!
Eat alone.
You no get
fat alone.
respect your
What did they do to this boy? Look at the way he's pushing me.
Now so
What did I do to this boy to deserve this? Okay, Obi. Your mother. Hey, you will come home and meet me. Oh, wow!
Brother, from that walk, okay, to this end, like, at the road there. Okay, yeah, that's the measurement. Yes, the land is very. Okay, how much does this land?
See, brother, we are not here to price. Okay? We are not here to bargain anything. Tell us how much you want to buy. Even all this cassava, I am giving you all this cassava free.
Okay.
The cassava, them, everything in this land is free.
It's true, okay.
Everything free. You understand?
This land safe, man.
And I will be dashing you all this cassava. All this cassava now is your own. Yes.
I'll give you guys 200,000. 200,000 is okay.
200,000
Yes.
for clearing of the land or for the cassava.
Oga, 200,000 is okay. See this now, I go still develop all this things. 200,000 is okay. If people are not collecting 200,000,
Wait now, let's finish now. See, wait now. Chill now. Your blood is too hot. Your blood is too hot.
See, just cassava.
Wait now, wait. Just that I needed this money for something urgent. But what you are pricing is very poor. But no problem now. Your blood is too hot. Since you are paying 200,000, okay, no problem. I've heard you now. Where is the money? Give us the money.
I'll manage. Let's go to my car and sign the check. Let's go.
The money is not in your car.
Let's go to my. I'm telling lad this one safe.
Let's go now. Let's go.
I said on the scatter poverty, no. That idiot is a bastard, yo.
Where's the papers of the land?
Brother, you don't expect me to be moving around with the papers now. The moment you pay, I'll go and give you the papers. The papers is in my house now.
No. I don't do business that way. When you have bring the papers of the land, I'll give you your money. Okay? I'll give you your money. I can't do that.
For ordinary 200,000.
As you can see, I'm very tired.
For ordinary 200,000.
See all these people.
He's demanding for even my genotype and my blood group. For ordinary 200,000.
That's my business. Stress. So is that? I don't blame to see.
Brother, okay. Please, I want to ask you something.
What's that?
Please, can you help us change hard currency?
Hard currency? See dollars?
Dollars?
Yes. Which hard currency is that?
Dollar they trick where this one then. I mean hard currency. Like Egigwe.
Is it pounds?
Pounds. Pounds is small money. I mean, what we have here is stronger than pounds. What is pounds now?
Are you for real?
Yes. Hard currency, the hardest currency in the world.
Sure.
Okay, let me show you. Wait now, let me show you the sample.
Okay. I'm waiting. Let me see it. Let me see it.
The hardest currency. I told you now. You must be enticed.
God.
He's already enticed, smiling. The money is too much, right? Hardest currency in the world.
This is not 10 naira.
Yeah? I better give me back my money.
Dona.
See this thief.
Dona be deceiving people in this community with. See, you guys, Dona.
It's not possible.
He's saying the truth.
It's not possible.
How come he's throwing it?
The billionaire! Billionaire!
It's okay. So this bag is enough. Mama, I told you to come with 3 or 4 bags. 8 or 9 bags. I remember yesterday that I called you back. I said, this money, 11 million hard currency. I said, bring 8 or 9 Ghana must go back.
But don't worry, when you get to the city, come by. Yes.
I will not start stressing myself again. Going to the shop.
I will send the driver to go and buy.
Go and buy. Where are the policemen? Where are the Ogene boys?
They're outside.
Those ones are the way.
Those ones are outside.
Okay. You see them? I can hear them.
What? Go and bring the money. Hurry up. He's bringing the money. Hurry up, bring the money.
So sorry for keeping you waiting. You wasted a lot of time. Huh? Let me get it out first. This one, we'll get all that things on our way.
Okay.
Let's go.
before the rain starts. Look at the sky is changing.
Yes, Mama, yes. No, Gene. When I come back, 1 million.
Start going, start going. Sorry, my madam, I'm sorry. Idiot. Idiot. Your man, I go give me better.
Move it. Move it.
Normally, I'm not a flat-tummy person, but you can see now.
It's hunger. But the difference is rich man's hunger. I have what to eat, but I don't have appetite to eat. But